It's Wednesday, the 6th of August. We are going to be talking about the subconscious mind today. Now, I'm sure you've already read it because our brains are wired to process information as quick as we can. That you have seen both images on the left and the right. Automatically your brain is drawn to the image on the left due to it having a more colourful nature. However, don't let that distract you from the speech, the lecture, and the image on the right, which holds a lot of value in its words. Now, as you can read, the conscious mind is 5% of your brain. The part of your brain that actively thinks, plans, and makes decisions. Okay? Now you would think that the conscious mind would take up, if not more than 80-90%, because that's what you're thinking with, right? That would be incorrect. Your subconscious mind has been programming your life for years. Now, as you can read, stores your beliefs, memories, habits, emotions, and automatic responses. This is where your deepest patterns, both empowering and limiting, reside. Using this information, how can we take action? We need to start programming our subconscious mind. Or should I say reprogramming? Give our subconscious mind a software update. Feed your subconscious mind with who you want to become in the future. Your subconscious mind takes up 95% of your brain. Knowing this information that you have been shared with this morning should urge you to take action now. It should wake you up to how you're living. If you're living in fear, it's because your subconscious mind has been programmed to fear a specific situation or time or event. I'll give you a really easy example that has got nothing to do with trading. As children, if our parents or carers or whoever is around is scared of spiders and they scream, us as children that have very malleable brains, that will go straight to our subconscious mind for adulthood, and from now on, if we see a spider, we should be fearful of this because our subconscious mind has programmed us to be scared. Now, those that have not been exposed to fear from spiders by their parents or people around them are not scared by them. Just like how cats go up to them and play with them. That is because there is no subconscious programming to tell them that they should be fearful. So hopefully this example really opens your eyes to how the subconscious works, real life examples, and hopefully allows you to think about if you've been living with specific emotions that keep occurring, you don't know why, or why can't you go and speak to that one person you wanted to speak to, or why couldn't you say something to whoever. It's because your subconscious mind has been programmed to feel that specific emotion when it comes to taking action. And this goes for every single part of life. Every single thing. I don't need to talk about every single thing because I want to let you guys really stop, really think about your subconscious mind controlling your future? Do you think that successful people have weak subconscious minds filled with bad habits and they've just got successful luckily? Or do you think that they'd have a program, disciplined, well trained, aligning with their future self subconscious mind? If you really read into it, if you can reprogram your subconscious mind, that's 95% of the work done. You've only got to do that 5% whilst you're conscious. Whilst you're awake, you've already got the foundation of the subconscious mind backing you. You've just got to do the 5% daily. And how easy would that be? If every day you could wake up feeling as if you're always in flow state, you're always where you're meant to be, you're aligned with who you're going to become in the future, and all you've got to do is show up and put in the work. How easy would it be then? All of the work is done for you. So I want you to take action. Think about how your subconscious mind has been controlling your future and how you want it to align with your future self from now on, and start programming your subconscious mind to be aligned with who you want to become. If every day you are not working as if you are who you want to become, you will never get there. To become someone new, you must start acting as if you are that person. You have to change your identity, the way you view yourself. And you can do that by reprogramming your subconscious mind. Now, if you do some deeper research down this rabbit hole, you'll understand methods and techniques of how you can really easily program it. But I'll let you guys do the work. That's all I've got to say.